Hi everyone, this is the video of this man. Speeds from minimum speed to maximum speed on updraft. It's currently a minimum speed.
Okay, thank you.
It also has an internal variable speed and switch housing. I'm turning it up.
Oh yes, my name is Mark. We're from the Philadelphia Ball and Roller Bearing Company. You had one of your service technicians out here about 3 weeks ago, back on 4-5, to order a transformer. I just hadn't heard anything.
Now this
Thought
is
it might be a week or
maximum
two.
speed.
Getting a little longer.
It makes some poppy noise and has some wobble. Anyway, thanks for watching and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.